एक इस्लामी और गैर इस्लामी मुल्क में जंग हो, गैर इस्लामी
Question: In a war between a Muslim and a non-Muslim country, if non-Muslims drop thousands of bombs on Muslims killing hundreds of thousands of innocent civilians, then it is absurd that you say that Muslims are restricted to killing enemy combatants only. Answer: Yes, this is exactly what Muslims are supposed to do. This is because non-Muslims can disobey Allah's commands, Muslims can't. Yes, this is exactly what Muslims are supposed to do, because we are Muslims. Because we revere and obey Allah. If a person persecutes someone dear to us, we can't take revenge from someone dear to the persecutor. We absolutely can't do this. Muslims must change their point of view regarding this issue, because as a Muslim, we are required that even if we were severely persecuted, we would not persecute in return. Even as a revenge for a grave injustice, we would not resort to an injustice. If we do so, then we would be back to the savagery that Prophet Muhammad eradicated. This is totally ludicrous and blatant savagery. According to Prophet Muhammad, it is savagery if we persecute in return for persecution. No. Muslims must obey the commands of Allah in all cases. We can never take an innocent life. Question: Where is it written that Muslims do so? Answer: It is written in Qur'an. Question: Does Islamic history support this point of view? Answer: Yes, it does. The companions of Prophet Muhammad never dared to kill innocent civilians. Question: Is it not true that innocent civilians were killed in wars by the companions of Prophet Muhammad? Answer: Yes, but please understand the difference between incidental and intentional killing. Innocent people die incidentally in a war. It is unavoidable. It happens in almost all wars, but deliberately killing a non-combatant is a grave sin in Islam. In addition to Quran, Prophet Muhammad's foremost instruction to his closest companion, Abu Bakr, were not to take any actions against non-combatants in the war, absolutely no action. Observe the simplicity of these instructions, and a great emphasis on avoiding such incidents. And if such an incident occurs, Muslims are required to beg for forgiveness from the victims. If we really want to understand the value of human life, we need to study Quran. Quran states that even if someone is killed unintentionally by mistake, a Muslim is required to fast for 2 straight months, and pay due compensation to the victims. Once again, this is if someone was killed unintentionally. Allah has given such a high importance to human life. Prophet Muhammad said that a human life is as sacred as the Qibla, or the month of Hajj, or the city of Makkah. Why do Muslims take the issue of human life so lightly? We are Muslims. It doesn't suit us to debase ourselves to such savagery, as if others kill one of our innocent, we kill one of their innocent. Do you think if someone kidnaps our child, we should kidnap their child? This is totally absurd. Do you understand the amount of anguish a mother of a kidnapped child goes through? Prophet Muhammad called it an absolute savagery. This is certainly not Islam.